What's that? Oh, yeah, good idea. Hang on.
Did you guess it up, Gosh? I didn't do that. Well, either? No, I saw it on YouTube. Yeah. I'm going to go on the It looks like hard. Yeah, it's 25% radium. I've got
You did it in under a minute, the whole thing.
Yeah, you can. I can do it in under a minute.
This is perfect, isn't it? Yeah, Isabel's been she's been doing quite a lot of riding, not recently, but she's only been thrown a couple of times.
Has she? It's all part of learning, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, mostly. Yeah, actually, I think the only horse that's thrown her is this horse that loves to stop and eat.
Right.
So she'll be galloping along, just in this little field, about sort of half the size of this, and in this standard loop circuit. And suddenly the horse, Misty, will just stop dead to eat some grass.
She get to the top.
She go flying.